Hey Extra Milers, how many of you could use a little more revenue in your SMB or startup? One of the number one problems we help our clients solve is the not enough revenue problem. Over the next 4 weeks, we're going to be showing business owners some of our keys to our thinking, our process, and breakthrough tools that can help you create revenue acceleration. There's a big discrepancy between this idea of business development. In our SMB world, we like to think of it as the strategic and tactical alignment of systems, processes, and people that collectively deliver the revenue to your business. Step number 1, define your ideal client. Really get to know them. Then we have to align the processes of marketing, prospecting, and selling to really serve them well, not just take their money. Many of our professional service and technical business owners really struggle to even understand the difference between marketing, prospecting, and selling. If this is you, make sure we have your current email so we can send you the details and the tools as we work through this series over the next 4 weeks. You're probably closer to your next breakthrough than you imagine. Creating effective biz dev will help you and your team move to the extra mile.